Hello to everyone, welcome to the channel. So now guys, I'm going to style my scarf as my headband. But we can do a lot of things about scarf. We can make it, headband or any thing that you like from scarf. But now I'm going to make this one as my headband. And not just headband, I'm going to style it in my own way. So guys, let's get started. So this is my simple scarf. Yes, okay? And now I am going to style it. I'm going to make it a triangular shape this way. Okay? Triangular shape, and then fold it into, just wait a while. So guys, this is how I fold my scarf. So this is just so simple. It's very, very simple, like effortless way of styling a scarf. Just fold it this way. It doesn't matter how many fold you want to fold your scarf, just this one. So I'm gonna flatten it a bit. So that's just very simple. But of course, on your own, you can make it anything you like from scarf. But for me, this is how I do it. Okay. So now I am going to style it with this one. Okay. So guys, this one can make you young, I think. So this is how I do it, guys, for my scarf. And let's do this. Okay. So already, see, right? Thank you so much, guys. So guys, you have to buy this type of clip. See this one? See this one? Okay, you should buy this one. This one I made this one. This one from yarn. See, this from yarn. I made it by myself, and now it's ready to clip on my scarf headband. So just like this, just easy like this. And you can also do this on your different headband, not only for a scarf, whatever headband you like. That is from cloth. Okay, so this is how I made it, guys. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So this is just very easy, very simple style from a scarf headband.
DJ Noel remix. Maganda